Volunteers at the Upper Valley Haven, hard at work preparing a hot meal for those in need.
We have a pea soup and we have a chicken biscuit dish.
It's a crucial resource for those who have nowhere else to go when winter weather hits weeks ahead of schedule.
So many people each year will die because of exposure.
Just think, how do they manage? How do they survive? So, yeah, think about those people a lot.
And the Haven's executive director, Michael Redmond, says recent snowstorms have led to a spike in those seeking help.
On the day of a big snowstorm like we had Tuesday, actually things quiet down. People just can't get here. But then the very next day it picks up and we see more people coming in.
One of the biggest problems for guests after the most recent storm, power outages knocking out their access to fresh food.
We've received a lot of calls from people who, without power, they've lost their refrigerators and food that they had, and so the number of people coming for food shelf has increased.
It's a challenge that Redmond says they're ready for, but it all starts with the generous work of volunteers.
The Upper Valley Haven depends on the goodwill and spirit of so many people who live here. And we invite people to come and experience us, to learn about the Upper Valley Haven, be a volunteer.
The Upper Valley Haven is finalizing their plans to open their overnight cold shelter next month. In Hartford, Ross Ketchke, NBC5 News.